Hello, my student. Welcome back again to your channel, Easy Science for Kids. Today, I would like to focus on the second property of light, which is light transmits through different materials. Transmit equal pass. Before study this property, let's play a game together. Our game is hide and seek. لعبة خلاويص. I give you different material. هديك material مختلفة and tell me, can you see picture behind this material؟ هتقولي تقدر تشوف ايه اللي ورا الماتيريال دي. Number 1 this glass الإزاز ده. Can you see the fish behind this glass؟ Yes أنا قادر أشوف السمكة ورا الإزاز ده. Number 2 another glass. Can you see the candle behind this glass؟ هل احنا شايفين الكاندل الشمعة ورا الجلاس ده؟ Yes. Number 3 wood. Can you see anything behind this wood؟ يا ترى احنا شايفين ايه اللي ورا الwood ده؟ No, we can't see. Excellent. Number 4 this tree. Can you see anything behind the trunk of this tree؟ الجذع الشجرة الخشب ده اسمه trunk. إذا إحنا شايفين حاجة وراه؟ No, we can't see. A last material. This material type of glass called frosted glass. ده نوع من أنواع الإزاز اسمه frosted glass. الإزاز الحبيبي كده تلاقيه محبب كده. Can you see the picture behind this glass؟ What? I don't know. Someone behind this glass, but I don't know. أنا شايف حاجة بس مش عارف أحدد هي إيه بالظبط بس هي في حاجة. Let's illustrate this picture together. Light transmits through different materials, so the materials are divided into 3 types. Type you can see behind it. Type you can see behind it, like glass, like air, like clear water. And type we can't see behind it. Some materials we can't see anything behind it. Materials ما شوفش اللي وراها خالص. Like wood, like carton, like people. And finally, type of material I can't see someone behind it but I don't know. أنا أشوف اللي وراها بس ما أعرفش مين. في حاجة وراها بس هي إيه أنا مش عارفاها، مش محددة ملامحها. Like frosted glass and tissue paper. The group which we can see behind it clearly with details called transparent. هجيب الجروب اللي أنا بشوف كل حاجة وراه واديله اسمه إيه؟ transparent. And the group which we can't see anything behind it, group of material اللي أنا ما بشوفش أي حاجة وراها خالص أسميها إيه؟ opaque. And finally, the group which we can see what behind it but not clearly مش بوضوح without any details called semi-transparent. يبقى أنا عندي 3 groups in material: transparent, can't see everything behind it; opaque, can't see everything behind it; and semi-transparent, can see but not clearly. Semi-transparent is sad. why. زعلانة ليه؟ أنا اسمي بيتكون من نقطتين semi transparent. أنا عايزة زي إخواتي كلمة واحدة transparent opaque. So we called it translucent. Semi transparent equal translucent. Why we can see or can't see things behind the material. ليه بنشوف أو ما بنشوفش؟ Let's illustrate the first case. The first case is a glass, a transparent. Why we can see the light, we can see the picture behind a transparent. إزاي أنا بشوف الصورة من وراء transparent? Because هذه source of light, التورش the source of light, دي تعتبر a rays of light. All or most of rays of light pass through it. الترانسبيرنت ده شخص كريم جدا، اي حاجه بتدخله يديها يطلعها بره، اي حاجه تدخله يطلعها بره، فبالتالي احنا بنشوف كل شيء وراه بوضوح، لان هو مفيش حاجه بيخبيها، مفيش حاجه شايلها جواه، كل اللي بيدخل بيطلع، اللي يدخل يطلع. So we can see picture behind it very clearly. Why? Because it pass all light. All light passes through it. But in case of opaque, opposite, ناخد الopposite الأول، الopaque, we can't see anything behind it. كل شيء داخله بيخبيه جواه، كل light داخل يخبيه جواه، فما يسمحلوش إنه يطلع، فبالتالي ما بعرفش أشوف اللي وراه عشان هو جواه كتير. الopaque, no light passes through it. So we can't see anything behind it. In case of translucent, take some and left some. In translucent, when the light pass through it, لما الضوء يمر خلال translucent, some of light pass. تروح معدية شوية ومخبية مع عندها شوية، تخلي جواها شوية وتطلع شوية، فبالتالي we see the picture not clearly. بشوف بس مش واضحة، ليه؟ عشان هي ما طلعتش كل اللي عندها زي أختها transparent، ولا خبت كله زي الأوبيك، ما شفتش، لا طلعت شوية وخبت شوية، فبالتالي شفت نص وضوح اللي هي not clearly. Transparent, translucent, opaque. The question is compare. أكتر question ممكن يجيلي عليها هو الcompare. طبعا هنبقى أخدنا definitions، هيجي برضو definition على هيئة define، على هيئة write scientific term، complete، but الفيمس المشهور ليها compare. Let's define everyone. Number one, transparent. Transparent are materials which allow most of light. Allow most of light. Let's make a circle around most. Most of light. And make highlight because it's very important. Most. That's okay. Transparent are materials which allow most of light pass through it. Most means all of light pass through it. Like glass, like air, like clear water. Most of light pass through it, so we can see picture behind it clearly. Can see picture behind it clearly. Example, glass, air, clear water. Number two, we'll talk about translucent. Translucent materials which allow some of light, some of light, not all. Some of light. Some of light pass through it. So the picture behind it not clearly. Can see picture behind it not clearly. Example, frosted glass, tissue paper. And finally, opaque. Opaque materials that not allow light pass through it. Can't be seen picture behind it. Its example, wood and cartoon. The difference between the three materials: some, most, not. Some, most, not. Transparent, allow most of light. Semi-transparent or translucent, allow some of light. Opaque, not allow light. Okay? And you must know the examples for each one. Thank you for listening and goodbye.